Well, following on from my little shopping trip down Tesco's, I've gone and ballsed it up, haven't I? I was going to do myself a spag bowl, and I forgot the bowl bit. I didn't get any minced pork, and I'm certainly not going to stand there with a knife and cut it up by hand. So it looks like I got myself a big-ass salad. And I don't do big-ass salad, so I'm going to garnish it with half a bag of these bad boys. Now, since Minitron's gone and left me, the position for housekeeper is vacant, if anybody's interested in living the high life. Ah, dear, dear, dear. Well, these boys have all been scraped up and ready to go. See that black dot at the top there? Apparently that's their poo chute, and that runs right down inside them. It's nice. Anyway, I'm not going to eat them raw because I've seen enough parasites coming out of the chicken, so we better stoke this bad boy up. So, in order to eat hot food around here, you have to make the food hot. I've got a bag of recalcitrant charcoal. It doesn't seem to want to burn. That lot should have all disappeared. So they used a bit of shitty tree when they made that lot. Right, here's that wood that I told you need from the last video. And this stuff is absolutely magic. Magic, I say. Magic indeed. Here's the reason why the fires burn so long up in the mountains as well. When one of these trees catches fire, it's a bit of a big deal. Right, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. To be honest, you'll be lucky if you get to see what I'm doing anyway, the way the algorithm hates me, but I keep going on about it. But if you don't keep talking about it, nobody's going to know. Apart from the ones that have heard me say it about 10 times already. 110 times. Anyway, I digress. Let's get me a little incentive scheme going here. Look. This is obviously going to go over 3 minutes. So this will be buried. That's a handsome amount, that is. Now we need to get the beer out the way. Heavens above, let's just stick it under there. Break out the tan. This stuff, they call this tan. But when I get down there and ask for tan, they just look at me like I just got off the first plane from Timbuktu. They just don't understand what I'm saying. So, unfortunately, I think I'll never be a native Thai speaker because of my bloody West Country accent, my babber. I to be talking in my own little accent. Right. You know, there's a fly going in my ear now. Let's scrape up all the good bits. I did mention, didn't I, that I am looking for someone. Come and join me in this kind of lifestyle. Otherwise, I should just end up dying all alone. And bald. Right, here comes the cheat now. This is my panel wipe as well. This is sacrilege. I shouldn't be using panel wipe because it costs an arm and a leg, and I got no way of finding it again here. Right, what do I say about this wood? Give me fire. There it is. Look at it. Look. Oh, great. Fantastic. Oh. You couldn't make this up. You could not make this up. Stay burning. Woof. Right, and then we'll try and reduce some of the bacteria on the grill there by giving that a bit of a burn up. Now, unless you like watching fires burning, and you might be that twisted fire starter, I don't know, but I'll just pause this right now because that's about as good as it gets for the next 5 minutes. Oh, actually, no. We could do some added excitement. Look at this. Yay. This is my purification process. All these wires are breaking off as well now. I've got to try and find a new one. Otherwise we're going to have nice... Oh, look at that. Look, it's just completely bent. Look at that. You see, if I could get monetized, I could actually earn enough money to buy one of these after about a year. Unbelievable. Right, I'm off. That grill's a bit shagged now, actually. There's so many holes in it. I was afraid my old prawns was going to fall down there in the fire. But I think we'll do alright there. So, yeah. Yeah, we got a good 10 minutes of doing nothing. So, you lot can go and watch something else out the window while I pause this and carry on with my beer. Well, it's pretty slow. You might see a little tinge of pink appearing around the sides of them. I'm busy in there abusing people on Facebook. So let the abuse continue. Keep cooking, boys, keep cooking. I know they're boys as well because there's no eggs on them. If you saw the video that I did down by the seaside, they were all females. I must have had about 4 billion of them because they were full of eggs. Well, they're pinking up now. Pinky and Perky. Everybody change sides. God, I gotta get a new grill. I better get on Lazada unless I can find one in the market. Otherwise, we're gonna start losing them. That's a nice little fire too, that one. Oh no, I'm losing one. Oh no, please no. It's save the prawn. To be honest, they're done. I don't even know why I bother filming this far, but I suppose now all I got to do is get them down my neck. Shall I video that and turn it into a mukbang? Nah, fuck that. Let's just get them on a plate. Nom 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 nom.